and welcome to Race Streamer. It's a little bit late and I'm staying in an Airbnb somewhere in Leicester at the moment, so I've got to keep my voice down. But I just wanted to make a brief introduction to this video about the first round of the Want2Race Championship, which is a competition that Ginetta are running, and the prize is to win a fully funded season in the GRDC, which is the Ginetta Racing Drivers Championship. Now, the first round of that was at Buckmore Park, which I had earlier on, and then I had to rush home and make dinner and then drive to this Airbnb because I'm going to Donington Park tomorrow for the British GT and F3 Media Day, but more on that in another video coming later this week. So I did pretty well in the race. I'm very happy with how it went, and I haven't seen any of the footage back from it yet, but I'm going to go through that tomorrow and upload the highlights of it and put that after this part of the video. So I got hit behind twice on the first lap, and that put me down from 6th place all the way to the back, plus about 5 seconds off the next person. And short story, by the end of the race I managed to claw my way back up to 2nd, which I had no idea about until I got in the debrief, and the race director called out who was in what order, and to my amazement I came 2nd, so that was cool. So like I said, here's the race highlights coming up. You can see how I got on. some pretty close racing out there, and it was also pretty damp on track, so the conditions were changeable and tricky. However, my last race that I had in the soddies at Buckmore was in the wet, so I felt a bit more happy heading into this one, even though I did spin between the first and the second corner and it was completely my fault, but hey ho, can't be perfect all the time. So yeah, hopefully I'll get through to the second stage of the Ginetta competition, which would involve going up to Buckmore Park to drive one of their race cars. So here's hoping.